In this video, we'll show you how to use and customize quick settings on your Pixel phone. Quick settings help you to easily get to the settings you change most often. From the top of your screen, swipe down once. Here, you'll see the Quick Settings menu with a few of your quick settings icons. To see additional settings, swipe down again. To turn a setting on or off, tap its icon. To customize your quick settings, on the bottom left, tap the pencil icon. Current quick settings will appear at the top, and others will appear below. To rearrange the order, touch and hold the setting icon that you'd like to move. To keep it in your quick settings, drag the icon up and release. To remove a setting, touch and hold the icon and then drag it down to drag here to remove. To add a setting, touch and hold the icon and then drag the icon up above drag here to remove and release. Now you're ready to use quick settings. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.